What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Trick 10s. I know what you're thinking. Obviously, this isn't a John boot. This is a Jeep Rubicon. This thing is sick. I mean, this guy has a lot of upgrades on this thing. He's getting ready to take this all the way to Alaska. He's taking it on like a 2-week trip with a bunch of his buddies. They're going off the grid. And he wanted to have a couple of additions built for this thing that are not regular accessories. This is custom stuff. I'm going to show you guys what we did in the back of this Jeep. It's pretty cool. Come check this out. All right, so obviously all this stuff up here, this big ladder rack, is stuff that he bought. And on top of that, this is like a pop-up tent. He has a camper, you can sleep up on the top. But inside of the bed of this Jeep truck, he did not have any type of cover or anything to protect what he's gonna put in here, like his generator. And he's gonna have a refrigerator, lots of batteries, a whole bunch of stuff. So this thing is pretty cool. We did build this complete box out of 080 aluminum, and then we cleaned it up and we actually hit it with a spray rhino liner. It was the first time I've used this bed liner, but it turned out pretty cool. Check this thing out. We've got this on some gas pistons, very similar to the hatches. And inside of here, he's got a slider. This thing comes way out. Now he's gonna have like a grill and everything up here. So this is gonna be really cool when he's out in the middle of nowhere. He can just slide this out and get to all his stuff. This little wall that's in here is basically gonna house some batteries on the back side of it. These holes in here are gonna be for adjustable shelves. That way he can stack different lithium batteries inside of here. Or if he has something he wants to bungee cord up here, that'll be perfect for that. This thing fits in here so tight. There's a little bit of a pain in the butt. But it turned out sick. Those slide masters are pretty cool. I was pretty impressed that thing has a 700-pound weight capacity. When it's completely pulled out, it just seems like a lot of weight for it being that counter lever. But this thing's sweet, man. This guy's going to Alaska. This whole truck is going to be running on some crazy trails in the next couple of weeks. And I'm excited to hear about it and see some pictures when he gets back. I got a lot to do, guys. I'll see y'all next time. Let's get back to work.